frequency 1 491 Hz, difference 440. 2 second task 490 Hz, the difference counted. First frequency is greater than the second frequency, so the frequency is generated using a Arduino Mega. The summation of the frequency is being analyzed by using a link analyzer, which is here, link analyzer. If you look at the outputs we are getting, so if we run it like it's like in real time, so if I pause it, then I try to check what's the summation is turning out to be 1.199 kilohertz. The signal the Arduino is producing is, for the first signal is 492, then the second one is 492 also, and the code which is used to generate Arduino the signals in Arduino this one. So this is the code that is used to produce two signals of 500 Hz in Arduino Mega, and it was given as input to the microcontroller board. But you can see that the Arduino is actually producing 492 Hz on each of the signal pins, and it is reading as 491 or 490. If I here you can see that on each task each of the light is being turned on, and the other light is showing the difference, like a comparison, like whether one frequency is greater than the other or not. If I push this button, then after showing frequency 2, it will get halted because the pin actually isn't letting the loop to run. It's actually in trigger mode. So now what's happening, only the frequency is generated, the summation of the frequency is generated, but it's not actually taking input from the signal generated outside. But as I unpress it, it's actually reading as well as generating the signals. Like if I give some reset the whole thing, the summation signal goes out where actual signal is being produced. So whenever the second frequency will be read, and then we'll get the signal.